In this video I'm going to show you how to share your Google Drive link. And before we can share the link, we need to create one. So first you go to your Google Drive and you go to the file that you want to share. So I go to my Drive. Here I go to Files. You can also search your file, but I know which one I want to share. So in this example I'm going to share a demo file. So I right click on this document, I go to Share and copy link. So now here you see Manage Access. You can also share the link right away. You can also click on Manage Access. And here you can add people or groups that you want to share the file with. You can also change here if the access is restricted, or anyone with the link can open the file. You can choose if they only can view the file or comment on it or have editor rights. In this case I only want them to have view rights. So now I click copy link, and if I paste it you will see that we have the link to the document. Now this link you can share in WhatsApp, for example, or Telegram or Discord or whatever you want. And by using that link people have access to your document. And that is how you can share your Google Drive link. Please leave a like if this video was helpful to you, and I see you in the next one.